is that I saw. What's going on with these boxes? These are new, huh?
Okay, these are new boxes. These boxes, box that are prepared to go in the apiary.
In the apiary?
Yeah.
What is that?
The bees hive. These boxes are to go on the bees hive.
Inside.
Inside the bees hive.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So what happened? No, I put them here. I paint them with black oil. So the black oil preserve the box so it can serve
So
long.
it doesn't rot.
Right. Okay. So after a certain amount of week, what I will do now, I paint them, and after it dry, I give it like about 2 weeks, and when it dry, then I put them on the hive. Because there are some of the boxes inside there that need to be changed.
How often do you have to do this?
So we change box like maybe sometimes it's served for 5 years. Depends on the type of material that.
But when you say change box, you're not saying change the box. You're saying pull it out. That's
no. We take a box that is box like this that is in the apiary that is damaged and get rot. So we remove them and we put a fresh one. Right. So we put a fresh one on the colony. Fresh box on the colony. So these is what we don't make them. We make them, but we do not put them on every air unless it need another box. Or the hive is getting strong, so we put another box on it.
So you observe when
we observe and
you see
by
when
doing
things need to be changed.
Yes.
And you just say
By doing inspection, you can take it out. So what you do the inspection, and you will see the one that need the hive.
And then you make a mental note. You don't have it, and then you come back tomorrow and switch it out.
All right. Can you just give me a few minutes?
Sure.
I clear something.
No problem. No problem. Yeah, we'll cut all the time.